Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kapil, and today in this video we are going to talk about LinkedIn. So more about job search and probably how you can get your dream job. Okay, so let's start it. So most of the time, let's say if you want to get a job on a LinkedIn, and you should have a very good profile on a LinkedIn. Okay, so that you must do, I can say, you should have your relevant experience detail, your company detail, and yeah, let's say if you have any publication, you have any innovative ideas or anything, let's say you have yeah, anything which is, let's say, if you haven't made an article which is valid, very good, then you should publish there, and all the relevant information should be available in your profile. That should be the first step. However, let's jump into the job search part actually. So if you want to do a job search, then definitely you will go to this page, and in this page you should have, let's say, you can create an alert, okay, where you, let's say, if you wanted to get a job in Germany, or let's say in the any of the country, then you should have a proper filters assigned, or you should have a proper alert already created, so you will get the notification, and you can apply over those notification. It is easy to get a job over LinkedIn nowadays, because people are looking from the different countries, and it is the relocation is very easy, and even moving to the Germany or UK is nowadays not a very much difficult task, because they are ready to sponsor you. Okay, so in this case, let's say for my profile, let's say I am embedded engineer, so I can create relevant job filters actually. Let's say embedded software, or it could be a software architect, or anything related to that, and you will get, let's say, how many relevant jobs are available there, and you can create a job alert for that, and you will automatic get notification based on that. So this is the easiest way where you can do a job search. Okay, so now let's start it. Let's say if I wanted to do a job search, then what I will do, I applied this keyword and this country, and then I am getting the, let's say, relevant job or opening detail over here. Then next step would be, let's say, if most of them I will prefer to let's say easy apply, so you can also enable the easy apply, or if you want to disable it, you can disable it. And then here it is that there are many other filters available, where you can say that when it is that when that opening is being posted. So if it is, let's say, past month and past week or past 24, so if you are searching on a regular basis or daily, then you can go for a past 24 hours. Okay, and otherwise you can go for a week. Experience level, definitely you should choose relevant experience level which you have. It is, let's say, entry level, mid, or any executive or anything. Company in which you are targeting, that directly you can search it. I have automotive industry, so I have the related automotive industry in the filter. Job type, it could be a full-time, part-time, temporary, internship, and others. So you should select most of them full-time, so as you you will be looking for a full-time in most cases. The last one is the, let's say, the on-site, hybrid, and remote. So if you are preferring only remote work, then you should select this. Otherwise, you can select on-site and remote and hybrid, all the three. Easy apply, definitely it will be, it is very easy to apply, and you can just click, just on a one click you can send the CV, and you can submit your profile. So it is one of the favorite for all of the members. You can just do a quick apply there. Okay, now what the problem will face is that, say, most of the company will recruit the localites first, and then if they will not find the people, then they will go for the sponsorship. Okay, so this is the general way it works, but there is now one better idea, which, so there are other ways. This is the one way where by which you will search the job, and you, let's say, you will get notification whether you are they are forwarding or they are moving on with your profile or not, and they will conduct the interview. The second way is to, let's say, search the job and connect with the relevant recruiter. So if, let's say, this post is being posted by this guy, and I can contact this guy directly, and or I can message this guy directly. So this is the other method. So you should have a very good connection, and if you have a good connection, you should connect with the right people at the right time.